TYPHON machinery. Power you can trust.
All right, team, clear the southeast corner. We need this excavator positioned by the foundation in the next 5 minutes.
Are you still renting a mini excavator every month? It feels simple. Call, use, return, but the cost adds up. $50 a month, $100 a month, $200 a month, small numbers. But month after month, you get a bigger bill, not a bigger business. In 1 year, it becomes thousands of dollars. And at the end of the year, you still don't own the machine. That money doesn't build your business. It doesn't increase your assets. It just leaves, again and again. Now imagine owning your own machine. TYPHON TERROR XI STORM Mini Excavator 1.1 Ton Trench Digger. Compact and powerful, access small job sites others can't. Hydraulic thumb clip. Do more with one machine. Fuel efficient operation, lower daily operating costs. Durable and easy to operate, less downtime, more working hours. Built for contractors who want control and long-term growth. Every hour builds your return. Renting is an expense. Owning is an asset. Stop renting. Start investing. Own your machine. Own your profit. Choose TYPHON TERROR XI STORM Mini Excavator 1.1 Ton Trench Digger. Work smarter. Earn more.